Now notice her teeth, she's got some staining on her teeth from the lip gloss. So what we're going to do there, I'm going to click the clone tool. We're going to make it nice and small, 50% opacity. Okay, hold down Alt to select your from point and click once, move over. Now let go of Alt, and now what we're going to do, we're just going to draw off this white. See just here? Just real nice and subtle. Okay, to about there. Again, selecting across there. What I'm doing here, I'm just basically just drawing in this white. Beautiful, that's really cool. Down here, down to about there. Yeah, that's really nice. Okay, next I'm going to do, I'm going to come over here and I'm going to click the dodge tool. The dodge tool is a really cool tool for basically bringing out more detail in your photo, like basically brightening the photo. So around her eyes, I'm going to just make that about that size. I'm just basically just drawing straight around the eye. See, it just makes the eyes pop out a little bit more. Just a little bit. That's really nice. Same on this side too. Just around here, just makes your eyes pop out. And what I'm going to do now, I'm going to give them a little bit more color as well. So right click and click the sponge tool and make sure it's on saturate. Maybe put the flow about halfway, so about 50%, which is good. And then we're just going to draw on some more color. Okay. Okay, about there. Yeah, it's really nice. Now what we could also do, so we want to make the model's eyes really nice and blue. What you can do, go Command J, duplicate the layer, go Command U, colorize the layer, and then pull the layer back down to say like a nice blue, say about, that's quite nice, say about there. Okay, obviously the whole photo is now blue. So then you come down here, okay, to mask, put a mask on, go Command I to invert the mask, pick the paintbrush tool over here, and what we're going to do is going to paint that blue on, basically right there. We're just going to paint the blue on. Okay, now notice it didn't paint. The reason it didn't paint is because basically you have to hit X to invert it. So basically, like the first mode will erase, the second mode will add, so hit X, and now when you do it, see, it's actually, now it's painting the blue on. So just in case it doesn't work, now you know why. Okay, paint the blue on this side here as well. There you go. Now she's got nice blue eyes. Command 0. Okay, beautiful. Like that's before. Oh, sorry, that's after. That's before. That's after. So now the model's got beautiful blue eyes as well. So now we go Layer, Flatten Image. The image is really starting to look good now. It's really starting to punch. Okay, it's looking good. Okay, next thing we're going to do, we're going to try and bring out a little bit more detail just in a hair. Okay, so we go Command J. Also on the rope too. Now we'll go select. Oh, sorry, we'll go Image. Where are we going? Oh, sorry, not Image, Filter. Filter, Other, High Pass. Okay, so see it's put all that detail out there. Click OK. Change the blending mode over here to Overlay, which is like way too much detail. It's way too much detail. So again, we mask it. We go Command I to invert it. And what we're going to do, click the paintbrush, and we're just going to paint the detail on where we want it. So about there. See here, just paint that detail on. See her hair just nice and sharp, but the rest of it is not. Beautiful. We can go over here. Now the beauty about doing the sky, we did it before, is the sky's not going to bring out any detail because there is no detail in the sky to bring out. It's not going to come out. Remember when we used the Vivisa filter, we basically took all the detail out, like took the structure out, so now there is no detail in the sky to bring out this filter. So if you go over into the sky a little bit from the rope, it really doesn't matter. Just tracing over the rope here. I like the idea of having the rope a little bit, yeah, a little bit sharper. It's looking really good. It's looking really good down here. So to about there. Put this down here. That's looking great, looking great. Okay, yep, very happy with that. So now we're going to go Layer, Flatten Image, and we're going to go File, Save. Click OK. And oh, one more thing. See over here, I've just noticed over here there's like a dust spot. So click J. Beautiful. Now if you click J, see how we go over to here. Here's the spot healing brush. Okay, come over to here. Click on there. Bang, that's gone. Again, we'll go File, Save. Okay, close it. Beautiful. Now, if you have a look here, this is our original image, and this is our photoshopped image. Huge difference. Original, photoshopped. So you can see it's a massive difference between the two images. Original, photoshopped. And it's all just from knowing how to use a few simple tools. There's a little bit more work we could do to this image, like maybe around the skin and all that around here, like around the bottom, but this is just a basic tutorial to show you what the tools actually do. One more thing we might do, let's just duplicate that one more time. Okay, over here, hold Alt down. We've made another copy of it. Let's put that back into Photoshop. Okay. Now we go Filter, Nix Software, Silver Effects Pro. Okay, what Silver Effects Pro does, Silver Effects Pro basically gives us some really nice black and white options. So there you go. The beauty about really strong color in a photo is that you get really nice black and white as well. My favorite one in this one is the push process one. See that? I just love that. I think that image just looks fantastic. Click OK. Okay, it's just going to update it. Okay, see we've got a really nice black and white image now. Go Filter, Nix Software, Color Effects Pro again. As you can see, I'm a huge fan of Nix Software, nixsoftware.com. Fantastic, fantastic software. Go to the Glamour Glow. And see there, like it's just a really different look. The beauty, really cool too. Go to the glow temperature. See that, it all makes it look like a sepia sort of finish. Click OK. So the trick with this is just to play around with your images. Don't just look at an image and go, okay, that's good enough. Like play around with the images. See, that looks great, just like that. Let's put maybe a little bit of a vignette on it. Okay, just go say to it from about here. So to about there. Notice I'm doing the vignette right to the bottom now because I don't want to make her skin look too dark on one side. Now see the vignette. Now this is, somebody asked me this off the forum. See the vignette. See it's square. It hasn't actually rounded. What we do, go Command D. If you come up here into the top left hand corner, there's the feather option. So go 250. Now like I said before, I'm feathering 250 pixels because 250 pixels is like it's a big image. It's nearly 6,000 pixels on the longest side. So if the image was smaller, you'd pick a smaller feather. So again, I'm going to draw from here down to about there. Beautiful. Now see how the image is now that is curved, like on the end of the feather. Shift Command I to invert it. Command M to bring up curves, and let's just drop that down. Beautiful. We're pulling that down there. Do it again. It works more the second time because it's already a little bit darker. Drop it down there to about there. Beautiful. Okay. Command D. Beautiful. There's another really cool image. And then just go Layer, Flatten Image. Go File, Save, because remember we duplicated it before. And remember, like I said, we always save in maximum resolution. Close that one down. Now we've got these options. Okay, this is our original image. This is our magazine / Photoshop image. And this is just our playing around image. So an image like that's really good too. What you would have to do with that image is smooth out the legs a lot more. She's got a little bit of marbling in her legs because it wasn't actually cold because this was shot in summer, but it was quite windy. So yeah, you'd need to fix that marbling in the legs before you send it to into a magazine. So there you go. There's our tutorial. Thanks again for watching. You can see more tutorials and more information at www.colestudios.com.au or click on our YouTube channel, JCP DVD. Do us a favour, subscribe to that channel because we're going to have lots more videos. We want to try and get a nice big user base there. We're going to have lots more of these tutorial videos. Again, JCP DVD on YouTube. Thanks for watching.